Yo, what is going on? It's Hayes UKZ showing you a brand new app map on Flooded. This is using the K.E.M strike and the knife lunging tutorial glitch. This is easy out the map on top of the building. You just simply go down the bottom here, use the K.E.M strike, knife lunge on the map post, come over to here. Walk out the map slowly. Follow the building all the way around. Simply keep following the wall. As soon as you follow the wall, you can drop down out the map. Just like so. Now I'm officially out the map. Just drop down here. And there you go. Out the map and flooded. You can walk around that area. That's the cool look. Comment, like and subscribe. More glitches out soon. Peace.